Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for Crayola Experience.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload any video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Adnan CTN, I provide promo codes for some other companies. Like recently I upload a new video on Honeylog, Hilton, Gooder, Fair, Golo, Defi and so much other. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for some other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number 1 I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you $5 off general admission. So the code number 1 is CCKIDS23. This is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So this is the only available valid code right now. So redeem this code and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.